He's so cute. He's so adorable. Mwah.
What, Raju?
Yeah?
Why do you play with this buck all day long? Don't you have to do your study? Okay, I'm going now. Take care of the house and give them something to eat. Okay?
Mwah. Mwah. Take this. Come on, eat.
Hey Raju, what are you doing here? Your dad is calling you to the tamarind tree.
Okay.
Come with me.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hey Raju,
Yes?
do you like sweets?
Yes, of course. I want to eat.
Should we go and eat sweets before going to your dad?
Okay, why not?
Come, let's go and have sweets. Huh? Raju? Raju? Uncle! 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 Uncle Sukhiya! What happened, Mohan? What is it? Raju is over there. What happened to Raju? What happened? What happened? Fast. Faster. Come fast. Look, Raju. Raju. Raju? My son, what happened? Raju? Raju, what happened? You were perfectly fine when I left you back at home. Raju? Raju, what happened? Raju? Raju, my son, what happened to you? Ramesh, take a full photograph and a close view of the wound.
Yes, sir.
Take a clear picture.
Sir, I called you.
Okay. Alright, tell me, when you came here, did you see someone around?
Sir, I was working in a nearby farm and...
Raju? Raju? Uncle! Uncle! After that, I called you, sir. Yadav,
Yes, sir.
search the area for evidence. We might find something.
Okay, sir.
How could anyone have enmity with such a small child? Do you have a doubt on anyone?
No, sir. We are just poor people. We have no enmity with anyone.
Sir, there is no clue around here, nor any weapon.
Okay, Yadav. Make a detailed report and send it for post-mortem.
Okay, sir.
What, Papa? You don't know how to comb my hair. Mom used to comb my hair so well. Listen, Papa. Please listen to me. Please bring me a new mom who will listen to me and will also take care of me and even make food for me.
My son, I'll think about it. Anyways, you're getting late for school. Go, take your bag.
What are you thinking about?
What happened, Akash?
I wanted to tell you something.
What is it? Say.
Yesterday I saw Raju with Gullu.
Sir, that's Gullu.
Oh, will you kill me now? Hey,
Come on.
what
go.
are you doing? Hey,
Come on.
leave me.
Let's
Come
go.
with us. Come on. What are you doing?
Keep moving.
Come inside.
Hey. Come.
Leave me.
Get inside.
Hey,
Sit.
where,
Get in.
Where are you taking me?
Get in.
Hey, leave me. Leave me.
Shut up.
I
Sit
said
quietly.
leave me.
Tell me, why did you kill his son?
Sir, I don't know
Huh?
anything, sir.
You don't know anything?
Uh,
Tell me, why did you kill him? Where did you take his son? Tell me, why did you kill him? Tell me, quickly. Answer me.
Sir, I don't even know who his son is.
Sir, he's totally lying. Akash has himself seen him with my son. Liar. The whole village has seen you taking his child away. Answer me.
I don't
Where
know
did you take
anything,
him?
sir. I'm
Where?
telling you the truth, sir.
Where did you... Quickly tell me, where did you take him?
I really don't know
Yadav.
anything.
Yes, sir. Give him third degree till he doesn't answer.
Okay,
Take
come.
him away. Come.
No,
Come with me.
no, I'll tell you, sir. I haven't killed him.
Then who is behind this?
Sir. That guy Birju. Yes, and a wife Nirmala.
Yes, sir. This is where Birju stays.
This one? Knock the door. Does Birju stays here?
Yes, why?
Who are you?
I am his wife.
Can you call Birju?
Listen, Inspector is here to meet you.
Come outside.
Hello, sir.
Are
Yes,
you
yes.
Birju? Come to the police station.
But sir, I haven't done anything wrong. Then why are you taking
Let's
me?
go there and I'll tell you everything. Come along. Tell me. Answer me. Why did
sir-
you kill him?
I didn't.
Why
do
did you
anything.
kill that child?
I didn't kill anyone.
Answer me.
I didn't kill anyone.
Answer
sir.
me.
Sir,
I
please
won't
understand
spare
me.
you.
Please. No.
Answer me.
I haven't
Come on.
killed anyone.
Tell
Sir,
me.
I'll tell you everything. Sir.
Move. Sit.
They hit me
Speak
a
up.
lot.
Yadav, start writing. Now speak the truth or I won't spare you. Start talking.
Yes, sir. I'll tell you everything. Sir, I'll tell everything in detail. Now what do I say, sir? It has been 10 years since our marriage. But till today, we couldn't have a child. She cannot conceive. I have no child. I have taken her to a lot of doctors. But still, no doctor could help us in this situation. One day, my nephew Gullu, he took us to meet someone and she told us
Uncle, it has been so many years since your marriage, but still you haven't given us any good news.
you are absolutely right. But there is no doctor or anyone where I didn't take my wife to get the solution for this problem. But I have totally given it up. I will never become a father.
Uncle, I know someone.
Really? Who is it? Tell me.
She can do miracles. And she is the one who can help you in this situation.
Seriously, you are telling me this thing now? Why didn't you tell me earlier? So when are you taking me there?
That's simple. We'll go tomorrow.
Alright then, take me there tomorrow. And with God's grace, I hope I become a father.
I bet on that.
Very good, I am proud of you.
Om Bhreem Cream Chamundai Viche. 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 Someone has done black magic to your wife, and because of that, she cannot conceive. It is next to impossible.
Okay, but still, there might be some solution.
There is a solution. But this man doesn't have the guts. Because this man doesn't have the guts to do it.
No, it's not like that. I will do whatever you tell me. I can spend as much money as you say. Tell me.
Didn't I tell you? He doesn't have the guts. Do you think money can solve your problem? If I want, I can become rich right away. But money is just an illusion, and I'm not interested in it.
Listen, I've made a huge mistake. Please tell me what I have to do. I will do whatever you tell me to do. Just tell me what to do.
Please forgive us.
Okay. Come here with your wife on Monday. I'll say it in front of her. Leave. Go
Okay.
away.
Yeah, come.
I'm grateful to you. Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, come. Let's go. Come on.
Thank you so much. Nirmala, open the door.
It's you?
Yes.
You came back earlier today?
Yes, I went far away today. Come, I have news for you. Sit here. Do you know? Today I went to meet a lady with Gullu. She has a lot of magical powers.
Lady? What sort of lady?
Yes, she has magical powers. Gullu was telling me that she has powers with which she can help us to become parents, and she has called you on Monday. If God is with us, soon we will become parents, Nirmala.
My prime devotee.
Praise the magical lady.
Hail the lady, hail the lady, hail the lady.
There is a solution. But it's very difficult. Will you be able to walk on this path? Mother, in order to get conceived, I'm ready to walk on any path. Once again, think about it. Think again and then answer me. Because if you later deny from it, the devil will get angry. If anything goes wrong, he can do bad things as well. Of course, we are ready. If you want to get rid of the black magic, you people have to give a sacrifice. In this way, your wish will be fulfilled.
we are ready for that. Tell me, which animal has to be sacrificed?
No! Not any animal. It has to be a human child.
But how can I do that? A child sacrifice?
Please tell me, how can this be possible? That is your problem, not mine. You think about it. You have to sacrifice a human child. If you want to conceive. I told you beforehand that they don't have the guts. We are ready for it. We are ready for the sacrifice.
But Nirmala, how is it possible? How can we sacrifice a human child?
Listen, if we want our own child, we have to do something. Don't you get that? Even if we have to give a sacrifice. Mother, we are ready to give the sacrifice. Okay, after 2 days, it's new moon. Get ready for the sacrifice. Go away.
As you say.
Okay, go.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you, mother.
Thank you, mother.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, mother. Thank you.
Okay, now listen to me very carefully. I don't have a good feeling about this. And son, where the hell did you took me?
You just shut up. He has taken both of us to the right place. If you had done the right thing earlier, we would have children playing at our house today. Do you get that?
Okay, but aunt,
Yes?
this doesn't seem to be as easy as it looks. Or what you are thinking?
If it were easy, we could have done it ourselves.
But please try to understand. We need a child sacrifice. Where will you find a child? It isn't some food item.
That's your job. To figure it out. And for doing that, we will pay you 10,000 rupees.
Really? 10,000?
Think about it.
10,000? If I had a child in my life, I would have given him for 10,000 rupees.
Om Reem Cream Chamundai Viche. 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 Both of you go and sit together. Yes, mother. Om Reem Cream Chamundai Viche.
Take this. That's fine. There you go, my son. Drink.
Okay, so uncle, tell me what happened about my money.
My son, our deal was 10,000 rupees. And I've already given you that. Now why do I give you more money for?
Those 10,000 were to find the child, not to bury the dead body of that child. For disposing of the body, give me 10,000 separately.
My son, I'm telling you, you are doing wrong. You were the one who took me over there. And now,
But in the end, it is your profit. You will be getting a child. What is there in that for me? Listen, uncle. If you won't agree to give me that money, it might happen that I can tell someone. So think about it. Tell me, what did my innocent child do to you? Say, what did he do? He was just an innocent child and you...
Wait.
Mr. Shukla, please try to be calm.
listen, please forgive me for what I have done. This is all Gullu's doing, not mine. You can do whatever you want to do with Gullu, but please keep me away.
Both of you are as responsible as Gulu in this murder, and I will make sure that you will get a severe punishment. Take them away. Come.
I made a mistake.
Om Bhreem Cream Chamundai Vichhe. Om Bhreem.
Let's go. You are under arrest.